This one money move could save you from financial ruin, and I'm not exaggerating. Just taking this one action before it's too late will put you ahead of 60% of Americans, and could mean the difference between struggle and security. Don't believe me? I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll walk you through this simple move that'll put you in control of your money. Picture this, you're driving to work and your car just dies. The mechanic says it'll be $800 to fix, but you don't have that kind of cash. Panic sets in. That's a situation so many people face, and it's scary. Over half of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. That means something simple like replacing your broken water heater or an unplanned dental visit can throw your whole life off track. When people don't have savings, they turn to credit cards or payday loans. But here's the problem. Credit cards charge crazy interest, usually over 20%. That $3,000 water heater can end up costing you over $5,000 if you only make the minimum payments. And payday loans are even worse. All this makes your life very stressful. Debt messes with your sleep, your relationships, and even your mental health. You feel stuck, always trying to catch up but never getting ahead. But here's the good news, you can protect yourself. You can build a safety net, and it starts with your emergency fund. So how much do you really need in your emergency fund? You've probably heard 3 to 6 months of expenses, right? But here's the truth. That advice doesn't work for everyone. Let me explain. Sarah, who works a government job, gets a steady paycheck and might be fine with 3 months of savings. But Mike, who's a freelance designer with income that goes up and down, probably needs more than 6 months of expenses saved. Single with a stable job? You might need less. Have kids or your income isn't steady? You'll need more. Step 1 is to figure out your survival expenses. That's stuff like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, car payments, and minimum debt payments. Let's say your survival expenses are $3,000 a month. That means Sarah with her steady job needs about $9,000 saved, and Mike with his freelance work should aim for at least $18,000. But don't freak out. You don't need to save it all at once. Even $500 to $1,000 is a great place to start. That small fund can save you from turning to credit cards when life throws you a curveball. And don't forget, emergency funds also help with your mental health. When you have savings, those surprise bills feel more like, annoying, instead of, oh no, everything's falling apart. Here's the best part, you don't need to be rich to save money. It's all about creating simple habits that work with your life. Strategy 1, set it and forget it. Set up automatic transfers from every paycheck into a separate savings account. Doesn't matter if it's $10, $25, or $50. If you never see it, you won't miss it, and you won't spend it. Boom, easy savings. Bonus tip, some jobs let you split your paycheck between accounts. Use that to send money straight to your emergency fund. Strategy 2, use bonus money. Got a tax refund, birthday cash, a little side hustle money? Put a chunk of it into your emergency fund. It's money you weren't counting on, so you won't miss it. Strategy 3, cut stuff you don't use. Look through your bank statements. Still paying for that gym you don't go to, subscriptions you forgot about? Cancel them. Even switching to store brand groceries or eating out less can free up $50 to $100 a month. Strategy 4, use a high yield savings account. Don't just dump your emergency fund in your regular bank. Put it in a high yield savings account. It earns more interest and it's a little harder to touch for impulse purchases. Some apps even round up your purchases and save the change. Spend $4.25 on coffee, they save 75 cents for you, and it adds up fast. The point is, you don't need to save big, just save consistently. Even small steps lead to big changes over time. Remember those 60% of people who can't cover a $1,000 emergency? That doesn't have to be you. So start today. Even if it's just $5 a week, it means you're taking control and building momentum. Once you build a safety net, you must take the next step to a secure financial future by making your money work for you. Watch this video to learn 80% of investing basics in under 8 minutes.